So to fix this app, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it to open it. Now what you have to do when you get to your phone settings is you have to search for apps and notification. Then you tap on it. After that, what you have to do is to tap on the see your apps. Now scroll and you're going to find Snapchats. When your apps are a lot, as mine is, then you have to tap on the search apps over here at the top, and that's where you have to tap in the Snap. And when you tap in the Snap, you're going to see Snapchat over here. So tap on it to open it. Then after that, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is toggled on. Go back and tap on the full stop. Then you tap on OK. Now tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and also tap on storage and cache and clear the cache. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go down below. You're going to find advanced. Then scroll and tap on app details and you're going to be in Google Play Store. And as you can see, what you have to do is to tap on the update over here to get the latest update of Snapchat. After updating it, what you have to do is to tap on the power button to restart or reboot your Snapchat. So when it appears like this, just tap on restart, then you tap on OK. It depends on your phone. Maybe your phone you must wipe it up or down to restart your device. Do it. After doing it, what you have going to see that the problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. If you think this video has really helped you, then tap on the subscribe button to support the channel.